Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you guys how to make motichur ki laddu, which is made from fine chickpea flour pearls, and it is a traditional Indian festive sweet. Can be prepared on Holi, Diwali, Janmashtami or any special occasion throughout the year. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So for the first, take a bowl, add 1 cup of besan, gram flour, add 1 glass of water. Using a spoon or whisk, mix it well and prepare a lump-free batter. The batter should be of dropping consistency. In the other side, heat a oil in a kadai. Hold the strainer right above the kadai, neither too low or not too high. Now pour the batter into the strainer with a spoon, or you can see small drops of bundi falling in the hot oil. Fry the bundi till they become golden. Don't over fry or make them crisp. About 1 minute is enough to get the correct texture in the bundi. This step is important because if bundi becomes crisp, then motichur laddus won't be soft and they won't be able to absorb the sugar syrup. In the other side, take a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 glass of water. Cook the sugar syrup for about 5 minutes and add a pinch of food color. Here I'm going to be using orange red. Cook the sugar solution till it reaches 1 thread consistency, then switch off the flame. Next, take a blender or mixer grinder, add the bundis, pulse them for a few times to get a small shape. Don't pulse them too much, otherwise you won't be able to shape the motichur laddus. Now add them on the sugar syrup. Also note that sugar syrup should be hot. Mix well, add some cardamom powder and resist for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer it to a bowl. Add some cashews or any other dry fruits. Mix well and apply some oil or ghee on your palm and shape the motichur laddus. Repeat the process with rest of the mixture. Enjoy this tasty, delicious motichur laddu on any festive occasion. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank